Welcome back. We were just wandering around, about to leave Paris RV here, and something caught our eye that we had not seen before. Now, growing up, my grandparents had the truck bed camper, and that's what we used when we went RVing down to Lake Powell, whatever, that hooked the boat behind it. So I'm always kind of interested when I see them, but I have never seen one with what this Palomino has. So let's take a tour of this little Palomino truck bed camper, and let's see what it's all about. Now, one of the things you need to look at with any of these truck bed campers is their weight. Most trailers have their weight over here on the driver's side. I'm not seeing it anywhere, so I'm gonna have to look around and see where the weights are posted. I don't know. It would be so easy to overload your truck with one of these, so you need to make sure you get the right weight. Kara found it, actually. I was looking. So this is 18 feet, 4 inches. It's a big camper. It's the HS 2912 from Palomino. Looking at the weight, it says camper weight, 3,570 pounds. So you're well into probably dually territory. I know the payload capacity on our truck is like 3,500-ish pounds, but we don't have a long bed, so this wouldn't work for us. Probably dually would be your best option, 350 or 450 or, you know, one of those to really carry this weight. Looking around the outside, kind of typical. It's jacked clear up because they use this little trailer to move them around here on the lot. So it doesn't normally sit this tall. It would hang clear over your truck. This is where your bedroom's gonna be, so probably gonna have a fairly good sized bed up in there. All the jacks are electric. You can see where they plug in here, which is really nice because my grandpa's old one were like cranks. So pretty nice. I would hate to sit and crank this all the time. Coming around the front side here, it's nice. It's jacked up so high because I can walk around underneath. You have your battery positive negatives right here, a little connection right there. This is for your solar chargers, I guess. Battery disconnect here, your 7-way plug into your truck. Coming down the side, I believe this is your water heater here. City and freshwater tanks there. Cable satellite hookups, some plugs. Oh, here's your shore power. So if you are in a RV park and need some shore power, you can access your sewer right here. So that means there's a bathroom in this thing. A lot of the old campers didn't have bathrooms, and some of the new ones. So you do have access to that, because when it's in the bed of your truck, you don't have access right here as well. Does have a little bit of storage right here as well, because we always need more storage. When you have a small unit like this, storage is of a premium, so that's nice to have. Then you have your propane here. I bet you would be hoping that it's not jacked up this high when you have to put this propane tank in, because that's a heavy bugger. But they do have nice thick doors. And right here next to the propane, you have an outdoor shower. That way you can get washed off before you go in after you've been out having fun hiking or whatever. But the big thing that stood out to me about this camper is right here. I have never seen a truck bed camper with a deck. Holy crap. This is freaking amazing. How nice is that? You get to wherever you're going, you drop the deck down, you can sit out here, have a cup of coffee. You could barbecue right out here. So many things you could do.
So many activities.
I didn't know they did this. Maybe this is something that they're doing on a lot of campers now. I have no idea. This is the first I've seen doing it. So let's go around the other side and get up in it and check it out. Now, obviously it's winter here in Utah. They just barely got this in, so it's not been cleaned up or anything. So apologies for not having it completely clean. One thing I am noticing, kind of thin stairs. Except I do like these better than the old accordion ones my grandparents had coming off theirs. All right, Kara, so what you seeing?
Right away, you got your second entrance to that beloved patio.
So let's go out and check that out first. Now, the door can't even open, there's so much snow. But we can show you what's out here.
Out here on the back patio, right away, I'm seeing 2 storage bins. So the nice thing about having this patio is an entertainment center.
Mini fridge, TV, sound system tucked away back there, and quite a bit of storage with speakers. makes our patio even more enjoyable.
This thing's so dang cool.
Storage down below, literally storage, but really good space there. That could be a fire pit, a grill, Dutch oven, whatever space. Perfect.
Pull it right out and cook on your deck.
Yeah, pull it right out, throw it on your deck. Maybe even your fold-up table might fit there.
Yeah. All really good ideas that Kara would think of that I would never think of. I'm so used to having everything in the back of the truck. It'd be weird not to have the back of the truck just full of stuff. So as I look around this, I'm like, okay, this would have to go here and this would have to go here. It was just a completely different world for me. But I'm liking it.
I like it a lot.
It is a little hard to film and navigate at the same time, but right here is our restroom. Yes, restroom. This is kind of a wet bath, sink, toilet combination. Does have plumbing and wiring access down below, but not much cabinetry in there. Trying to give you the shower test.
Yeah, so I'm 5'10", and if I stand under the skylight, not bad. Nice that this comes off, so everything will work. I mean, you're in a small camper. You aren't going to get a master bathroom, but it works. Nice little air vent right here as well, because small spaces. I really like that this is on a barn door, so it doesn't take up much room. Then you can just hook it up here.
More features in this little camper is, looks like a jackknife bed here. So if you did have others staying with you, you've got some sleeping here.
For a fairly short person.
Kiddos or something.
Yeah.
There we go. Overhead cabinetry for you as well. Fridge and freezer combination here for you. Right here in the corner, kind of utilizing that corner space. A little bit of storage down below. More features, microwave, your range and stove there, storage below, and pantry. Fairly deep, shelving that can move up and down, closet if you wanted to do that. All of your controls and settings are right there. Now, something Jessie may struggle with is this computer monitor for a TV. I will show you what I can of these sleeping quarters, but there's a giant air conditioner in the way, so... But up in here, there are some fairly large cabinets. I'm guessing some good storage space in there. Looks fairly deep in comparison to judging where the walls are in this little camper. Queen size bed here, north, south. A little bit of, you know, storage at the head of the bed. Some cubbies there if you need to tuck a book away, phone, something like that. Got your air unit here if you are not doing the air conditioner. And behind me, let me move a little bit. A little cupboard right here. It actually runs the whole length there. We typically don't look at campers, so it was fun to look at this one. I would assume that this is a fairly large one with all the shower and the bathroom and all the extra with it. The deck was a fun surprise to discover today with it. I can see how useful it would be because once you're up in the truck, you got to use the ladder to climb down, do whatever you're doing, ladder back up. So it would be very nice to just walk right out the back door, have everything right there. Maybe you're just settling in for the night, having a drink, grilling, whatever it may be. That is a fun feature to have, especially with that entertainment cabinet on the back end as well. Thanks again, you guys, for catching this episode. We do appreciate your viewership. Tell us what you think of this unit. Tell us if you're camper people, trailer people, fifth wheel people. We want to hear your feedback in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. We appreciate you following us every week. And you know what? And enjoy your weekend, you guys.
The tag says it also carries 45 pounds of water, so not too bad. 45 pounds, 45 gallons, 45 gallons of water.
Which way does this go?
It goes the other way, hun.
This way. Okay.